In this video, we'll see how to add text in CapCut. So to add the text, first I will bring this video clip to my timeline and I will zoom it for easy view. This clip is a bit longer. I will just cut it. So now it's a small clip for this demo. If I play it, you can see now there is no text on it. So to add the text, left side here there is option to add the text. Click on it, click on add text, and here there is one default text option. If I click on plus, so wherever my cursor is, the text is added here. I will just adjust it in the starting point somewhere here. Now if I click, the text appear in this video. I want whatever, if you want this text in the full video, we can drag it to the full video, but here I will want just until this much, like for 5 seconds. We can position the text by just dragging it wherever we want it, like this. Then from right side here, this properties, we can edit the text. This is where whatever object we bring to our timeline on video, we can edit from here, the right side in CapCut. So like this, the text is selected, and then if I click on bold, the text is bold, underline, and italic. Same way we can increase or decrease the size of the text, and then I can give the color from here, this option. So select here, this is the color option. Whatever color we want, we can give it to our text. This one. Also font we can change from here, like there are many fonts here. Once you click, the font will be downloaded if you are connected to the internet, otherwise it will take the system font. So I will go with system for this now. I will increase the size. Same way, like here there are some preset styles is available. If I click on it, you can see these are available with shadow plus background, like this, and we can add the background separately as well. So right now I will select no preset style, and then if you come down from here, we can scale it, and as I said, we can just drag the mouse here and we can scale it as well. Then if I come down here, so position XY, left or right, how much we want, plus by clicking this we can align it top, left, bottom, wherever we want. It's a preset perfect position for the text, but we want just our custom style. Then here is the opacity. If you click on it and just drag it to the lesser, it becomes transparent. So this is the opacity option. Again, I will select this preset, or no preset, but I will select the color for the text, something like this. And now if I come down, if I click on again opacity, it's more visible. Then in next, there's one option, stroke. For a stroke, we can adjust the thickness for our shadow, like this. It's a double line, so we don't want this one. Then here is the background option for our text. We can choose the color for our background, like if I select here, there are different options, so I will go with this one. Then in background also, this is the like a curve background, and one is the fully square background. So I will click on the curve. Then this rounded also we can adjust, like here opacity plus this rectangle. This setting is for background, like how transparent background you want. So if I put like this one, a light a bit transparent, plus this is the round, you can see how the round is adjusted. Okay, so just like this. And then if you come to the next, like here glow option, if I select, then we can adjust the glow for the text from here. Couldn't lower, there is some problem. So for that, because some option should be closed, like under, if your text is underlined, you cannot do all the effects on your text like round shape or some this kind of things. Now if I click on shadow, we can see here how much shadow we want and in which color. Here is the color is black. Plus if I reduce this blurriness and if I increase the distance, then it looks like a 3D effect. It's a full clear shadow we'll get. Okay, like this. This looks like somehow the 3D effect for our shadow. Plus if I increase the blurriness, then it will blur the shadow effect. Also here there's one option for curve. Right now it's not highlighting, so for that I think I have to change some effects. Like from here, if I remove the underline effect, then let's see, it's showing text with background cannot be curved. Remove the background, like I will uncheck the background here, and now if I click on curve, so now the curve text is available. I can increase the curve if I want it to be round. For this, if the text is longer, then the curve will look better. For that reason, I will type it here, a longer text, like the ship is moving on the green sea, something like this. And I will just decrease the size. To decrease the size, because I cannot select from here, I will just scale it from here. Okay. I will scale it from here, like this. Now, if I come back to the curve and I increase the size of the curve, so this is how we can have our curve. Okay, so if I play the video now, you can see this is how the video can looks like. Second thing, we can use the preset options which are available here in templates. Like if I click here left side, you can see text templates. In that we can select anything. If you're connected to internet, you will get all those options. So right now if I select this title text and I drag it into the timeline, so this is the text, and I will rescale it. Okay, I will rescale it. How it's appeared, see, it's the animation that we're going to see. And in right side we can edit whatever text we want to write, like moving ship. Okay, and if I play the full video again, this is how the video will play. This is the second text. Okay, so now we'll see how to animate the text. First, whatever text we want to animate, just select the text, and then here is the animation. But before that, there is one option here which is effect option. On the effect option, there are some preset effects which we can select it directly. In animation, we can select the animation for our text, like how it can appear while it's appearing, playing the video. So there are many options. See, it's showing it's appear like this, is like this. Second, it's the default option is 0.5 seconds. So I will increase it so it will appear a bit slower and it looks good. Again, as per the requirement, we can see now it's appearing slower than before. If I select this option, if I select this option, if I select this, so many we can have a look on it, how the text should appear in our video. So this is how something, I think this looks better for this. Okay, plus it's in effects. Here if you select on out effect and if you select any animation, then this is how the text will disappear. Like if I play this video now, there are two effects now. Appear like this, disappear like this in our next text. This is how we can play with